I broke my back and became a paraplegic, and being told that I'm never going to walk again, I couldn't accept it. It was like, how?
Looking good.
So we moved from New Jersey to Miami for job reasons. It was not an easy transition because our son has a very rare genetic condition which has very unique learning parameters.
I started Shake a Leg about a year ago with my brother. We came to one of the events that they were hosting. We got to learn about the sailing program and the program for my brother. And we just really loved the aspect of being able to come here every weekend and go out to sea.
One of the things that you got to remind him of, you stand up like food, right?
Providing a place where families can come together that are looking for better opportunities for their kids and for the family overall.
We've not been able to find that successful school, either public or private. The program of Shake a Leg here in Coconut Grove, and we were very fortunate to find it in terms of helping Alessandro achieve his needs, bring out his strengths. It just, to watching him flourish and increasing his speech and developing friendship is just priceless.
I mean, having a brother with special needs, it's difficult to connect emotionally at times, and doing something that we both love to do and share in common is a great bonding experience, as well as I've made multiple friends here and so has Ale, so we both have like our social groups here.
By all of us working together, we're helping people shape their lives and take it to another level. We're in a very fluid world. Things are always changing, and we'd love for every student to get out on the water, learn about what we do, and help us reach as many people with disabilities as possible.